even $1. Di ba, Day? Even me, I give to Wishy to send super chat because I can afford it, even $1. So I know as a YouTuber, to make happy, you know, when we receive the any amount. Di ba, Day? Di ba, Day? Di ba, Day? Buang-buang. Buang-buang day, buang-buang. Katawa man ta day ng words ng buang-buang day, oy. Day, gusto ko mo join sa imong live stream, but as what I said, busy life. Oh, okay. Di ba, Day, even to post the sign dollar is easy, you know. But Wolfie is nothing. Wolfie? Wolfie? Oh. Ito na si ate ni mo? Guys, I have games for my Facebook page. Money Hunt. So tomorrow, even little is this is a little small amount. This is a small amount. 16 years old. How old are you? 16 years old. Lol, 20. Oh my goodness, it's so very young. That's no word. Dahil na-income sa Reels sa Facebook account na to. Na anak ko. Invited na ko sa monetization tools tanan. So feel free, you can watch in if you willing. I appreciate it so much if you watching my upload my videos in my Facebook account. Makakon. Naikuan day na anak ko'y earnings day sa Facebook day. So hopefully yeah. Kisa ka na si Wolfie. Sige, join. Dili, day, paghimo og kuan, day, paghimo pag sa Facebook, day. Pero imagine, day, for how many years? It's 3 years when I got 3 years before I got monetization tools. Imagine, it's 3 years. Naay kuan day, naay earnings sa Facebook day. Naay earnings.